Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you're unable to sign in to Office application, it may be Word, Excel, Outlook, and if you're receiving this error 0x800704cf, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to uninstall recently installed Windows Update. This is also causing the error. So you can open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to Update History, scroll down, go to Uninstall Updates option. Now, if you find whichever is the latest update which was installed recently, you can uninstall that update. So click on uninstall. You can read this: uninstalling update may put your PC at risk. So if you agree, you can click on uninstall. Once the uninstall is complete, I'm not uninstalling, you can uninstall it. And once the uninstall is complete, restart your computer. Make sure that you restart your computer after this, and after the system restart, you can check. If that does not work, the next step is to start Microsoft account sign-in assistant service. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find Microsoft account sign-in assistant. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now you have to relaunch the application and then try to sign in. Still not working. Next step is to run inet cpl.cpl command. So type in inet cpl.cpl, click on inet cpl.cpl, go to advanced tab, scroll down, make sure use TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, all four are checked, and then hit apply. Apply is important, click on OK, and then you can check. Still not working, switch to different network. If you have any other network available, you can switch to different network and then you can check. Now when you switch to different networks, still not working, in that case you can use phone hotspot. So you can turn on the data on the phone, turn on the hotspot on your phone. Once the data and hotspot is on your phone, you can switch to your phone network. You will see your phone network over here, connect to your phone network and then check. Still not working. The last step is to repair or reset the application which is giving you the error message. So for example, if you're not able to sign into Word, you can make a right click on Word and then go to you can go to app settings and then scroll down, click on terminate first, then click on repair, and once the repair is done, you can check. If that does not work, you can even reset, click on reset. So if your application has this option, repair and repair, you can try that. If it does not, then you can skip this step. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix the error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.